So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to be discussing about Genpact's virtual drive which is happening in a couple of days from now, and it is a great opportunity for all of you who are struggling to get their resume shortlisted, because in this virtual drive you can just enter directly if you fulfill the criteria, which is that you need to have graduation in any field and you need to have good communication skills as well as typing skills, because this job opening is for the role of Genpact's customer support blended process role. And as I had told you before, blended process is nothing but a mixture of voice as well as chat support roles. So both good communications, verbal as well as good typing skills are required. And in case you have that, they have clearly given the meeting link to join via Zoom meetings. So all you need to do is install Zoom app if you don't have on your mobile or on your desktop also. You can do that. So whatever you feel comfortable at, just install that app. Meeting link is given, meeting ID is given. Just enter that meeting link and meeting ID and you will be able to join their interview process, which is occurring on 24th of October, 2 days from now, between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this is a great thing about this job. You don't need to get your resume shortlisted or something like that. Just apply through it, and it is for the role of customer support job. And the interview process most likely will first consist of just a minute round where they will give you a topic to speak, or a GD round, because there will be a lot of people joining. So most likely they can conduct a GD. Then they conduct what they call as I speak test. I will also tell you what this I speak test is about, because not much information is available. And then if you clear that, the round 3 will be voice percent round. So you can check out my video for Amazon voice percent as well as voice percent written. And the last round will be HR and the manager round. So these kind of interview rounds will be there, and you can apply from it anywhere in India, because it is a virtual drive. Later they may call you to the location which they want to, but in case as of now you can apply from anywhere in India. And now I'll take you to my computer screen to explain you about the interview rounds and the interview questions and answers in detail, and how you can apply for this job. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and first I'll discuss some of the interview rounds that can be there and the interview questions. So you can check it out. The round 1 can be just a minute round or a group discussion where they will give you a topic and you will have to speak. Round 2 will be I speak. This is a very interesting and a very different kind of test that I had told you. It is conducted by Genpact for these kind of voice based roles. And round 3 can be voice or Versant assessment. So for that you can go through the Amazon Versant test, and you will get a very good idea what this test is about. And round 4 will be HR and manager. So in this I speak test they ask you a series of questions, and uh, it will take around 15 minutes for them to complete this test. And they will check your communication style based on this test. So what is the communication style? Whether you are intuitive, which means you are a difficult problem solver or a long term thinker, or you are a critical thinker, which means you deliver results after thoughtfully examining a situation, or you are realistic, you get things done quickly, or you are perceptive, it means you are empathetic or you can understand the feelings of others. So these are the four broad categories in which they will divide you in terms of communications, and this will help them to know whether you will be able to fit in their culture and what kind of exact responsibilities they should give you, or what kind of customers they should give to you to solve the problem. So it is this kind of test. And some of the interview questions that they can ask are how do you imagine your typical work day at work? So you can read the job description for this. Talk about your time you failed. Describe a conflict you had with your colleague or your classmate if you are a fresher. How do you tackle pressure? Are you comfortable if your calls with customers are recorded by the company? Are you comfortable working in rotational shifts? Why BPO job after engineering or commerce? So if you are that type of graduate, they can ask you this question. So for getting answers to these questions, I would recommend you to go to my Genpact interview questions video. where I've given sample answers for most of these questions, and I'm giving that link in the description box. You can go through that. And now I'll show you how you can apply. So I've floated this on my website, and you can just go there and you will see this is Genpact Virtual Drive. Just click on that, and once you will click on that, you will be redirected to this page where all the details about this job are given, and you can read about it. And if you are comfortable, you can just go for apply for this job. And once you do that, you will be redirected to this page on Genpact website where the details have been given, and you can see the Zoom meeting ID is given. So all you need to do is install Zoom app on your mobile or laptop. Get this link, put this link at the desired time, and the meeting ID is also given, and the time is between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on 24th October. So you can give this interview directly, join it, nothing is required. You can, if you want to apply, you can just click I am interested, and then you will be able to get into the meeting directly, and then they will conduct your interview. So you can do this. They have written minimum qualification graduate any field and fluent in English. Here they have written experience 1 to 5, but it is preferable. 1 year experience in preferred qualification they have written, but minimum is graduate only. So if you are a fresher, you can definitely apply and join this meeting, but you need to carry your soft copy of Aadhaar card when you join this meeting. So please keep in mind. And if you are an experienced person, you need to have payslip also handy with you. So this was about this opening, and in case you want to get your CV rectified for it, you can go to the link in the description box. I have started this service, and the subscriber discount is also available till Diwali 4th of November. 20% discount will be there. You can just email me for the discount and I'll give it to you. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.